In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix status breakpoint error on Google Chrome. This crash message usually points to a browser hiccup, an outdated build, or something conflicting in the background. We'll walk through a clean, reliable sequence to get Chrome stable again, and then we'll test the page that was failing to make sure everything's back on track. Start in Chrome and open the main menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Head into Settings, then open the About Chrome section. Here, Chrome automatically checks for updates. If an update is available, let it download and install. Chrome may ask to relaunch, that's normal. Keeping Chrome current fixes a surprising number of status breakpoint crashes because patches often address stability and graphics issues. Next, return to Settings and open Extensions. Temporarily disable all extensions by toggling them off. Extensions can conflict with certain sites and cause unpredictable crashes, especially video and ad-related add-ons. We're just turning them off for troubleshooting so we can isolate the cause quickly. Now go to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. In most cases, clearing cached images and cookies helps remove corrupted files that can trigger the error. Click Delete Data to confirm. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some sites, so have your logins handy if needed. This step refreshes how Chrome loads scripts and media from the sites you visit. Next, open the System section in Settings and turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Hardware acceleration can improve performance, but on some machines or drivers it leads to crashes during video playback or heavy graphics. Disabling it forces Chrome to render using software, which is often more stable when troubleshooting. If the issue persists, go to the Reset Settings area. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This returns Chrome's configuration to a clean baseline without removing your bookmarks or saved passwords. It's a powerful fix for stubborn crashes caused by hidden flags or misconfigured settings. Finally, return to the tab that was crashing and press play on the video. If it works now, you've resolved the status breakpoint error. If you had extensions disabled, you can re-enable them later, one at a time, to identify any problematic add-on. Following this sequence, from updating Chrome to disabling extensions, clearing data, turning off hardware acceleration, and resetting settings, addresses the most common root causes and gets you back to smooth